Like most leaders, you're probably juggling limited resources, short timelines, and constrained budgets, but still need to make innovation a reality for your business. FutureThink makes it easy to build your team's problem-solving skills and spark innovative thinking immediately. Learning about innovation should be inspiring and simple, so people can better absorb the information and feel motivated to take action. Designed for the modern workplace, our online resources appeal to different learning styles and are delivered in a variety of ways: video, e-learning, podcasts, and more. Practical, how-to information is presented in compelling bite-sized ways that learners can digest and use in just a few minutes. The result? A mindset that opens up your organizational potential, a toolkit that ignites immediate change, and significant time and money saved versus traditional approaches to learning. By tapping into the single largest collection of innovation resources anywhere, it's like having an innovation trainer always available right at your desk. You'll be able to uncover novel solutions to pressing issues and transform the status quo. Establish a common language around innovation to increase collaboration. Weave simple techniques into existing processes to quickly solve problems. Accessible through the FutureThink portal or hosted on your own intranet, we enable innovation to happen anywhere, even on the go. An annual license grants you unlimited access to some or all of our resources, depending on what you need. Tool School videos bring innovation techniques to life in 10 minutes or less.
This tool is really going to help us look at the root cause of what's wrong. We're going to get in the mindset of our customers.
While our 90-second quick win videos deliver clever tips and tricks to keep innovation top of mind among staff.
Is referred to as horizon scanning. This is when we look for signals in the world around us.
Our research and tools library includes more than 100 problem-solving resources, including case studies, best practices, and guides to create winning programs. Whether you need to develop an innovation strategy, set metrics for success, develop an innovation scorecard, or learn how to reward innovative thinking, these materials offer clear steps to help unlock new answers to persistent business challenges you would face. Our podcasts share the latest best practices from inspiring global innovators in just 10 minutes. Innovation doesn't have to be complex. We make it simple and effective. Contact us today if you're ready to empower your teams and explore the right resources for you.